Good morning, Wookiees day 2. We got Jetta, the GTI, Mark 7 John, and he's about to flash his car. My car's absolutely filthy. I don't know what the heck is going on here, but it like rained like midnight, and we're on this dirt road, or gravel road, mix of both, I don't know, and it's filthy. So it was like 9 in the morning, we're about to get some breakfast. We're still waking up. It's kind of early. Hopefully we get into some fun shit today, meet a bunch of new people. Yeah, John is flashing the Jetta. You're getting a different map, different tune on, take away the DSG fart.
Take away the DSG farts, and I want to get big boy burbles back.
Gotta love that. We got 2 Blaze intakes here, 2 CJM Industries front lips. What's better than that? All right, we are headed down the driveway. Oh, I would love to show you through my, oh, he's scooping shit up. Oh, yeah, that boy's off-roading that GLI. And then we're coming down this narrow freaking path. Mr. Humble Mechanic brought the RS3 Swap Golf R. Crazy as always. Damn. All right, we are making our pilgrimage throughout Fontana Village. We got whole crew here. We got Duck's Garage. We got Mark 7 John, Pablo him. Oh, I thought you were right behind me. Duck's Garage, Autry from BMP. He steals all my money. So yeah, we're gonna see what's. That's true. It's not theft.
It's theft by conversion.
He coerces me to buy car parts, and then I spend all my money on car parts at gunpoint. So yeah, we're gonna see what's going on here at Wookiees, day 1, technically of the event. Day 2 here. We have made it to the ECU cracking zone. We are here. What's up? We have made it. This is where it's all going down. Shout out ACM Technic. Damn!
Do you apologize or you cover a cost? He's buying shit.
Shit bounced.
He's buying stuff.
Buying, acquiring. Hey, thank you, kind sir.
He's got all the money to buy McLaren.
What?
Hey guys, we're here at Wookiees and we're gonna be looking at Anthony's Tiguan. See, I did it.
Yeah.
Exactly. Oh man. All right, so we're checking out the Tiggy. This thing is bougie. Damn. This thing is nice. Me gusta. See, the big screen in this works. I don't think it works in the Mark 8.5, but in this it looks right. This it looks right. This is clean, brother. You got fucking massive brakes on here too. What rotors are you running? Brakes and rotors are you running on?
The 8VRS3.
8VRS3.
SHW Wavy 365.
Yeah, it's a.
And iSweep IS 2500 pads.
That's a big break right there.
Yeah.
That's a big break. Yeah. We got Henry with United Motorsports taking me for a ride in their GTI. Maybe we make a little bit of a swap. We're about to see what's going on with the UM GTI, Mark 8 GTI. Oh, 765 LT back there.
Fuck yeah, bro.
This is fire.
All right. We got Evan here working on his own car. Tell the Dragon master. He's mastered the Dragon at this point.
I am the master of the. Oh, my mic is on. Yes.
Buddy's the master of the Dragon.
I have slayed the Dragon. Dragon
Yep.
has been slayed.
Twice.
2 times. 2-peat. Going
And
for a
he's
third.
working on his own car.
We're going for that 3-peat. Jordan type shit.
Learn from the best.
We all met up at the Fontana Dam. It's pretty cool down here. I'm gonna just step in here and interrupt Mark 7 John real quick. I hope you guys don't mind. Oh, we just like butt heads.
Hello.
We got Chris. We got Mal in the cut. Dude, we are all hanging here, dude. This is lit. This is so fire.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's
that's
how you die.
yeah.
That's
Unless
how
he's
you
got some
die.
crazy shit in his pocket,
I
you
can
never
see the
know.
bottom.
What if he has like $100?
No, you could definitely clear that.
Oh yeah.
With a running jump, you could clear that.
Run,
Oh,
hit
yeah.
that.
If I had shoes on, for sure.
Don't slip.
I'm not jumping off the fucking hot dog. There's so many rocks over there. I'd
Better
fucking
jump in
die.
the water.
How much money?
I don't got nothing for you.
It's the love of the game.
Oh wait, what if? Wait, did you jump off at the end of the pier, or did you jump off?
He jumped way down there.
What about here?
No.
Are there rocks down here?
Yeah.
Did you check? Oh, that's you could jump outwards for sure and clear that. How cold is it? Yes, that's pretty brisk.
Alright, we ready?
Oh my god. It was like a half flip.
Dude, this is so scenic though.
That was the most scenic backflip you've ever hit.
This is definitely the bleed out spot.
Or front flip. Yo! Not even getting it. Alright, so you probably can't see me too well right now, but me and John, we're headed back to the B&B, and we stopped on the Fontana Dam. Fontana Dam. We're just like parked in the middle of the dam. This is crazy up here. This,
So cool.
on this side is like the river in the actual dam. And look how steep of a drop that is. It's pretty like, it kind of like makes your stomach sink a little bit. And then on this side is the lake, which you can't see at all at night. But got the GLI, got the GTI. We got a new B&B, which is a little further, but a good driveway. So we're about to head back now to the old B&B, grab all of our stuff, and bring it to the new B&B. And yeah, we got some driving to do tonight, unfortunately. So, to be continued.